Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change brake pads BMW 2 Series. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and loosening lug nuts slightly. Next, jack the car using the factory lift points and secure it with jack stands. Remove the wheel and inspect the rotor and caliper for obvious damage. Keep parts organized and take photos if you need help remembering reassembly steps. To remove the caliper, first unbolt the guide pins and carefully slide the caliper off the brake pads and rotor, supporting its weight with a strap. Compressing the piston with a C-clamp will create room for new pads, so do it slowly and evenly to avoid damage. Inspect the caliper boot and guide pins for wear, and clean the slides with brake cleaner before reassembly. Keep track of any shims or clips you remove. When installing new pads, ensure they are the correct type for your BMW 2 Series and place any anti-rattle clips properly. Lubricate pad contact points with brake grease sparingly and avoid contaminating friction surfaces. Reinstall the caliper, torquing guide pins to spec, then mount the wheel and lower the car. Pump the brake pedal gently until firm to seat the pads against the rotor before driving. Test brakes at
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.